All right, so today I want to talk about AI directors. And this is going to be a real review, not hype, not fluff. I've been testing a lot of AI tools lately, especially ones that claim they can build a business for you. Most of them don't. But AI directors actually surprise me. So first, what is AI directors? At its core, AI Directors is a one-click AI video system that turns a product image or link into realistic, human-style UGC videos. And when I say UGC, I mean the kind of short videos you see all over TikTok, Instagram Reels, and YouTube Shorts, the ones that feel like a real person talking, not a robotic ad. Here's how it works in practice. You upload a product image, or paste a link, you choose a style, and then the system handles the rest. It writes the script, creates an AI spokesperson, adds the voiceover, syncs the lips, builds the scenes, captions, and transitions, and delivers a ready-to-post video. No filming, no editing, no software downloads. That part is legit. What stood out to me most is that this isn't just a video generator. AI Directors is clearly designed around use cases that actually make money. People are using it for affiliate product videos, faceless TikTok and Shorts channels, local business ads, e-commerce product demos, even small AI agencies offering video services. And because the AI spokesperson is the face of the video, you stay completely anonymous, which honestly a lot of people are going to appreciate. Now let's talk ease of use, because this matters. If you can upload a photo to social media, you can use AI Directors. There's no Adobe, no timeline editing, no technical setup. Everything happens inside one dashboard, and the output is already formatted for platforms like TikTok, Reels, and Shorts. I've seen tools claim beginner-friendly before. This one actually is. Now, to be clear, AI Directors doesn't magically guarantee income. You still need to publish, you still need to test content, you still need consistency. But what it does remove is the hardest part for most people: being on camera, writing scripts, editing videos, learning complicated tools. That alone saves a massive amount of time and friction. So overall, if you're interested in faceless content, looking into affiliate marketing, helping local businesses, or just want an easier way to create short-form videos, AI Directors is genuinely worth a look. It's not just another AI toy, it's more like a business asset builder wrapped inside a video platform. Take a look for yourself, decide if it fits your goals, and go from there. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.